Let's get it. I know I missed out on Sunday. I just got back from Boston. So, well, I got back this morning. But anyways, let's talk about Forex here. I know a lot of you guys have been anticipating what the weekly analysis is going. And like I said, I always start with the US dollar index. So first and foremost, hope that each and every one of you had a great Thanksgiving and that you guys did a lot of great celebrations with your family and friends out there. But let's dive down to the weekly charts here. Like I said, so far I see a strong bull run to finish the year for the US dollar. And I am looking for 98. Once it breaks this, I'm looking for it to close above here. And then we are going to target this open gap from 100 to 99. And we'll see where it goes from there. Ultimately, by the end of this year, I would probably shoot for 99. Maybe 100 if something goes good with the political side on the United States. Other than that, at the end of the year, probably look for 99. If that's the case, right? So if that's the case, I'm looking for gold to come back down to break 1200 and then come target this wick back down 1160. Well, that's like long term for 1160. So I'm just looking for it to target 1200 by the end of this week. Let's see here. I'm gonna take out my lines here. I'm looking for Australia to come back down to break 72 cents. And then from there comes structure here at 71 for the week. Everything that what I'm predicting for is for the end of the week here, where the candle is going to close. That's the most important thing. I'm looking for this to come down and break the 67.5 price and then come down and test 67 cents. Ultimately, there is no support until you come down here 65 and then the main support here of 64.5. Don't forget that New Zealand is a little bit stronger than Australia. Okay. I know I'm going kind of fast here for some people. Talk fast, so bear with me. I apologize, I'm talking fast. Okay, so for Euro on the Euro USD on the weekly chart, I'm looking for it to come target the 112 price, break 112, and then come down to 111. Let me roll this out here. Okay, so basically the initial target to break would be this price here, this 112. Okay, this is the price to break. Okay, kind of like just going up a mountain and then coming back down. It's the most simplified way I can say it. The pound, I am looking for the pound to break below and close below this whole structure here. Break 127 and stay below 127. If not, we might end up seeing consolidation. Okay, kind of like what we saw here. So could very well repeat that. So you gotta be very careful on the pound here. Okay, could very well end up consolidating, end up going back up again, 128, 129, then going back down to 128 and 127, bouncing from 128, bouncing from 127 to 129. So just be prepared for that. Overall, if you look at this overall structure, okay, once it closes below 127, right, then I'm looking for it to come test 124 and come test the low price of 120. And then from, like I said, this structure is a key structure to pay attention to, especially once it comes back down here, because it might just end up bouncing up and down for a couple of months. because these are weekly charts. Every four candles is a month. So that's the easiest math way of saying it. Let's see, let's put it in. Okay, let's see here. So, nope, let's go UJ. Let's go to USD JPY. I'm looking for this massive bullish candle. Okay, I'm looking for this massive bull candle to come test 114.5 and maybe 115 at the end of the week. You have to be prepared that if the test is really high, it's going to retrace probably half the candle. So you have to be very careful on that. So this is a massive run. And by the time it comes all the way on top of here, just expect for a retracement going back down. So it could be Thursday, could be Friday. I had not went over the economic calendar, so we'll get back into that. But my target would be a 115 price. Once it breaks 115, then I'm looking for 118. Two key price targets to pay attention to. USD Swiss franc. I'm looking for it to break out of this structure here. To break out of this structure here, this 101 price, I'm looking for it to come test the 103 price. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. I'm looking for, I mean, there's a lot of structure here. So that's why I'm looking for it to break the top price. To break the top price and to test the highest price. Let's go back to the monthly chart so you guys can see this. Okay, you can see that this structure needs to break out. Realistically, on the monthly chart, it needs to break 105. Okay, you can see the structure that I'm drawing, like right here. From 90 cents to $1.05, that's a 15 cent price gap. So it's really tight down here. At the highest prices here, lowest prices here. Obviously, the prices are closer to the lowest price. Looking for it to come back to test higher. Let's go back to, okay, so the last thing will be USD CAD. USD CAD, I'm looking for USD CAD to come test. I'm looking for this candle to close above this candle, okay, above these candles. Strong confirmation, 137. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. This has been a strong uptrend ever since, ever since pretty much like at the end of September at the 128 price. So obviously you see more bull candles than bear candles. So you can see where things are headed. So my main target long term would be 137. But for this week, I'm looking for it to target 134 and close above this 133 price. We close above this high price here. So that's what I'm looking at. Other than that, like I said, I am really bullish on the US dollar, really bullish on DXY. I'm not going to change my mind unless something really major impacts for me to reverse the trades. So other than that, we have 3 days. 3 days for the $500 giveaway. $500 giveaway is coming out in 3 days, and don't forget that. And then get ready for Christmas. So I really hope, like I said, I really hope you guys really enjoyed you guys holiday break. If not, I mean, like I said, you shouldn't be trading on Thanksgiving. There wasn't much going on Thanksgiving, anyways. You should never ever trade on a holiday. I mean, that's just my advice. But you can if you really want to. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it was a quick analysis here, and that's it. As I'm deadbeat tired, to be honest. So I will be back. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow. about crypto. So Bitcoin took a massive dive going down over this past weekend. So let's go see what's up with Bitcoin and all them.